Hi gang, it's Auretha and I am an intuitive stylist, and I thought I would share a couple tips from my favorite store, TJ Maxx. So being a fashion stylist, when I'm going through the racks, and I do like to get inexpensive clothes, I'm not gonna lie, especially right now when mainly I'm at home or it's super hot, I'm not gonna be able to wear most of my wardrobe that I love. Just want to show you a few pieces and why I love them. Well, not love them, actually I haven't even tried them on yet, but this one, there's a checklist that I have. So my checklist is for myself and my clients is about color. So this is a flattering color for me and just about anybody. And me, I have large breasts. So those of us with large breasts, we need that neckline that is at least gonna be, you know, down into some type of a V, because that's going to be the most flattering. And for me right now, it's got to be so lightweight. So this is just a t-shirt. Normally I don't really love wearing white, but I need a few things. But for this, it's short and it comes in a little bit on the sides. So it's got to kind of curve in to me as a woman, because I'm very curvy. I have a small waist and larger hips, so I'm an hourglass. So when you get t-shirts, you really have to get t-shirts that have like a V, you know, a V here. This isn't a V. This is one act of desperation. But we're gonna need something that comes into a soft V, which is prettier than a harsh V, and comes in a little bit on the side, so it's like what I call a girl t-shirt. It's more sculpted, and for me, I need something that's not long, because I have a lot of pants that are cute at the top, and so I need a really short tank top kind of thing, but I don't go sleeveless. The other thing is I'm super white, and so I get really burnt, so I have to, like, for me, I like to have coverage on my sleeves, on my shoulders especially have taken a lot of sun, so I'm not against actually being clothed in the summertime. Now the reason why I'm looking at this short sculpted t-shirt is, number one, the fabric is super soft, and it's not just a plain black. It has some kind of visual interest on it. I will not wear a t-shirt with an ugly pocket on it. I don't know why anybody puts that on their clothes. It looks stupid, and I don't like it. This, I love this color. I've not been able to find it, you know, all summer. I love that the back is interesting, the front is interesting. I might have to cut it or make it be a little different on the bottom, but for me, that is a nice, refreshing change to my wardrobe that has gotten pretty, you know, boring. And look, hey, it would go with this necklace too. And my turquoise collection, which I really love. Okay, and then we have one other, oh shoot, this one has I lied. It has one of those ugly things on it. Crap. Because I might have to buy this in desperation, because I need blue really bad. And what I could do is I could stitch that pocket shut, or if it looks okay, I can ignore it for the summer just because it's $7 and it has sleeves, it has the fabric I like. See how it's sculpted longer in the back than in the front, but it's not really long? Unless you're a tall person with a long waist, of course you could wear those long ones. So when I go through TJ Maxx for myself or my clients, I'm very methodical. I just go down the aisle. Yes, no, yes, no, yes, no. I have that list in my mind of my clients' best colors, best shape. So here's the deal. If you don't want to shop, hire a personal shopper, and you can give them, and for me, I mean, I do it for my clients, but if, you know, or if it's your kid or something you want to pay, you can just give them an example of what t-shirts fit you well, what shape, and then the fabrics that you like. Now, a lot of people can't feel the fabric. There's a lot of fabrics out here I would never wear in 100,000 years, and I've cleaned out of somebody's closets, and I hate seeing them again. These itchy nylon, ugh, ew, here's one of them here. You know, beautiful fabric, but why would anyone want that on their skin? It's all about soft. We want soft, we want breathable, we don't want anything more hot. So get your list, your color, your shape, your fabric, the feel of it, and be ruthless. And when you go through, and like right now there's a big sale at TJ Maxx, so I'm going ahead and being, you know, ruthless, and then making it work with the other pieces that, you know, I'm willing to wiggle on this one thing that I hate, which is the pocket, whatever you call that, on the front, because it is a high quality t-shirt. It's really soft, it's the right color. I need some navies, and you know, we just kind of have to work with what we get. So right now what I'm finding is I'm having better luck at TJ Maxx, which is not much, more than Amazon. So just know that I probably already got you dialed. If you need some help, I can get you some stuff. If you just need, like, Aretha, I need to spend, here's my budget, $300, and I need some t-shirts and some skirts or dresses or whatever, I can just take a look at your body type and get that stuff for you, and even ship it to you if you need. So I love you guys, and I am right here with you in the trenches of dealing with hot summer time, and it's just time to get rid of what we're not going to wear in our closets, what we don't love, and make space for that which we do love. Okay, love you guys. Bye.